I just walked like a mile. I'm out of breath, you guys. Oh, hold on a second. I gotta test the radio. Can you hear me now? 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 Good, it works. Btech radio, you guys. GMRS, two-way. I'm gonna use these bad boys when I'm camping. They're so small, and they're cool. And look, it's got a little flashlight. That's also cool. If you guys are looking for a very nice lightweight radio, highly recommend Btech. Give them a try. They're super affordable, and the range is fantastic. Oh man, did you guys hear me back there? Whew. Oh yeah, I hope you heard me. Cool radio though, love it. Can't wait to take it out into the field and go camping with it. But I just wanted to give you guys a nice unboxing and a quick little demo of the Btech GMRS two-way radio. I will leave a link in the description down below. These are very inexpensive radios, you guys. It has great range, it's lightweight, it's portable, obviously, it's a radio. It's, you know, I'm still waking up. Highly recommend it. And it's made by Btech. Get one.